p.m. or 11 p.m. or daylight time. This watch includes the following counties: Illinois, 0, Cook, Cow, Ford, Kendall, LaSalle, Lake, Lee, Livingston, Marshall, McLean, Ogle, Vermilion, Will, and Woodford, in the following counties: in Indiana, Benton, Jasper, Lake Porter, and the following: Winter Harbor, Illinois, Northern Harbor, Illinois, Northern Island, Conway Harbor, Illinois, California Harbor, Illinois, Michigan City, Indiana, Lake Michigan from Wilford Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake, and Lake Michigan. From Wilmette Harbor, Illinois to Michigan City, Indiana, 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large winds, the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for latest and possible warnings. Stay tuned to more weather radios, commercial radio, and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is No Weather Radio.